worker has this to say about Jamaican men.
Pum pum and all of them something there. Say no, so me say alright, as a G, cause me is a G, you know. Me is a very down to earth girl, you know. And where they call it, me one of them gangster female, there, you see me? So me say alright, me know this guy, he been a link me for long for a link up, but him say no Nyam front. So me say alright. People have to cuss me about, oh, hey, girl, you love man, you only there with man when you're in front. So I say, all right, I just go try it for this one time, because a long time I did one man when I'm in front, you know, every single one of my clients, them, when me link, them know say, yo, them have to require what me tell them to do. You see me? You say, if you're not in front, you cannot see me. You see me? Because I am a freaky ass bitch. You get me? I say, a meal of freaky this. I just saw me stay. You see me? And a whole heap of man out there when you're in front. You see me? So, me can't lose any command to that. Every single day, me get a request for me front getting Nyam. And honestly, at some point, sometimes, me get tired of threesome. Me get tired of RG. Me get tired of getting my front Nyam. So my time I get tired of my ass Nyam, because me know me not have to ask a man for them things there. Me I get it regardless. You see me? You know some loving man them do. Like some my time I like when a man say, oh, me not Nyam front you know, but I will try for you. You just wanna tell me that bumble, you think I can trick me? Me know you do it, but you know me not making a wiser. You see me not making a wise. I'm so okay, I will appreciate that. You see me? So you know when they come now, then they come in their bedroom and they go on like they don't know what to do. Me just light up on my blood clot, but I just look for you so. Until I know you take a little time and go down there. And you see no fireman them when me notice, they love sniff a woman vagina, which I don't mind because my pussy smell good. You understand? So you know when they go down there, you see they rub their nose Spanish so or whatever, I don't know. You see me I'd like I smell them, I smell it, which may have a problem because you know pussy if it smell good. And if pussy not smell good, enough it get sucked. You see me? Just like with cocky. If a cocky smell stink, or if it smell a certain type of way, that will turn me off, you know, what sucky. So I understand. You see me? So you know when they rub their nose down there and smelly, you know, say alright, that girl a pussy fresh man, that little brown pink pussy up, you know, it smell good. Cause me have a very brown pink vagina, you know, like me have a pink clit and everything, all that, cause you know me brown. You see me? So you know, say you see when man a suck my vagina, me not gonna say my vagina tastes good because I've never tasted me taste my vagina a whole heap of time. Like you know when man a push their finger na my pum pum and they push na my mouth. It no taste no way. God know it no taste sweet or it no taste no way. So maybe when a man a suck it and it tastes like it's sweet come. Cause so that's like when the pum pum are near to come, then we taste something sweet or I don't know. You see me? So you know them have them ways to see a pum pum taste good, you know. Them say my pum pum taste good, so you have to work with what they say. You have to work with what they say, cause a whole heap of man say my pum pum taste. They say my pum pum taste good, but I don't know. Me no know what they mean by that because as me say, just like how some female we say, oh cocky tastes good, cocky when you are so cocky nice. Bitch, me don't know what the fuck you talk about this because me so cocky all the time. But it's not, me not taste no sweetness or me not taste nothing. You see me? Only thing you get out of, like you say if you know you're a woman and you love sucking dick, you will get turned on by sucking a man dick. And you know, once you do it right and correctly and you do it the right way a man love, just, you know, when the man a move and a go on with himself, you know, he like him want to crawl to your blood clot roof. You know, like he want guy moon to blood clots. You know, say, yes, girl, you go out with yourself. You know, that we boost up an ego. That we boost up an ego and say, yes, bad. You say, yes, me bad. And I say, you know, then I say run to your brain and you say, bumbo clot. Look how me I make that boy, all your toe, them a curl like he want blood clot pop. But so many times, when we really look at the bad, they will be a suck off the cocky, they will be a say, bumbo clot. I saw me bad. No, sir. When I look at the man, them toe, like you see it twist up. Like you want blood clot pop off. I say, no, sir. You see them grab up his sheet. They will hold up on the sheet and their body a shake. I say, no, sir. Me have to take time and do it like your romance cocky, your make love tweet. You see how much blood clot sitting we as woman have to go through to make sure you say, uno man, uno little dark shit, get pleased. And guess what? At the same time, uno want Nyam the blood clot pussy. You sound wicked. Uno is a wicked piece of specimen. Wicked. Cause uno want to the ball suck. Uno want cocky fi well suck off, well slappy. You see me? And uno want if you carry cocky go way down now with throat, you know, with the... No, sir. I'm glad me not no man because say me go fuck a client right now. When me look, I'm a man that want fuck me in the night. I'm is a person, brother, you see, once me want sleep, you can't wake me up for no blood clot fuck, you know. That we get mad, bro. Mad, bro. Mad, bro.